Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is your mathematics tutorial for class 1. Today the day is Tuesday and the date is 26th of January 2021. The topic is addition and subtraction within 100 and today we will learn how to solve word problems. Let's have some previous knowledge questions. What is addition and subtraction? Do you know any other words used for addition and subtraction respectively? By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to solve word problems involving addition and subtraction. Let's revise what is addition. Addition means adding together the given number of objects or the numbers. For example, if I say I have 5 apples and 10 oranges, how many fruits I have altogether? So here I will add the 5 apples and 10 oranges. Some alternate name for addition is altogether, total, in all, sum, plus or join. Subtraction. Subtraction means taking away some given number or objects from the other given number or objects. For example, if I say I have 15 apples and 6 apples are rotten, so how many fresh apples I am left with? So here I have to take 6 apples out of 15 apples to see how many fresh apples I have left with. Some alternate names for subtraction is left, minus, less, take away, difference. Let's see what a word problem is. Our addition or a subtraction word problem is actually a addition or subtraction sentence or fact that is to be solved given in form of a sentence. There are 5 steps to solve a word problem. Step number 1, first read the problem carefully. Step number 2, box the keywords. Step number 3, underline the question. Step number 4, solve it. Step number 5, write the answer or the statement. Step 4 is a little tricky. In step 4, first you will decide which operation you have to do in the given word problem. For deciding the operation, you have to focus on step number 2, where you box the keywords. If you see the keywords like altogether, total, in all, sum, join, or together, then you do addition in step number 4 and you will add the given numbers. But if you see and box these keywords like left, minus, less, take away, difference, then you will do the subtraction in step number 4. Today's classwork is textbook pages 85 and 87, 85, 86 and 87. You will write question number 1 and 2 on page number 86 and 87 in your notebooks. Now open your textbook page number 85. Prepare it like I have done it. Here we have some apples on the tree. Let's see how many are they. There are 11 apples on the tree. There are 4 apples in the basket with the girl. So how many apples are there altogether? This is a word problem. As we have some numbers here and we are given this in the form of a sentence, so this is a word problem. Read the word problem carefully. We have already done that. Step number 2, now box the keywords. Altogether. Altogether. This is a keyword used here, so box it. Step number 3, underline the question. What is the question here? How many apples are there altogether? This is the question. Step number 4, solve it. So what keyword have you observed here? Yes, it's all together. So what we will do? This is a keyword used for addition. Yes, we will add. So add the given numbers in the word problem, which are 11 and 4. 11 plus 4 is equal to 15. Very good. Now step number 5, write the answer or the statement. There are 15 apples altogether. Question number 2, there are 15 apples on the tree, 4 apples drop. How many apples are left? So we have read the word problem. Now we will box the keywords. What keyword can you see in this word problem? Yes, it is left. So box the left keyword. Step number 3, underline the question. How many apples are left on the tree? This is the question. Step number 4, solve it, for which you have to carefully see. Step number 2, what is the keyword used here? Left, which is a keyword for? Yes, it is for subtraction. So 5 minus 4. Yes, put a minus sign between 15 and 4. Sorry, it's 15 minus 4. Subtract the given numbers in the word problem. 15 minus 4 equals to? Very good, it's 11. Now step number 5 is write the answer. The statement is already written for you. You just have to write the answer 11. Turn the page. Solve. Question number 1. What beautiful fish are here? Look. Let's read the problem. Step number 1. There are 9 fish. 5 fish swim in to join them. How many fish are there altogether? Step number 2. We will box the keywords. What keywords can you see here? Very good. Altogether. Box it. Can you see some other keywords as well? Yes, I can see it. Join is also a keyword. Step number 3, underline the question. Where is the question? Yes, this is the question. How many fish are there altogether? Now, step number 4, solve, for which you have to see the keywords altogether. As we know that altogether is used for the addition, so we will solve using addition. Add the given numbers in the word problem. It's 9 and 5. Very good. So write it like this. 9 plus 5 is equal to? Yes, very good. It's 14. Step number 5, write the answer. There are 14 fish altogether. Now let's see question number 2. We have some baby turtles here. First we will see what is the word problem. There are 15 eggs. 7 eggs hatch into baby turtles. How many eggs are left? Now step number 2, box the keywords. Yes, left is the keyword, so box it. Step number 3, underline the question. Where is the question? Excellent. How many eggs are left? Underline it. Now step number 4, solve it. For step number 4, tell me which keyword have you boxed? Yes, it's left, and left is used keyword for subtraction. Excellent. So write here the given numbers 15 and 7 and subtract them. 15 minus 7 equals? Very good. It's 8. Step number 4, write the answer. 8 eggs are left. Very good, class. Now open your notebooks, prepare the page with today's date, classwork, day, like I have done. Also write here the textbook page number 86, 87. If you don't have space like I didn't have, so I wrote it like this. You can also write it like this. Then in the very first line, write the topic addition and subtraction within 100. You must leave one line, then write focus, solving word problems. Remember to capitalize the first word of solving and word and problems. Then leave one line and write solve. Leave again one line and write question number 1 as we have done it now. There are 9 fish. I couldn't write the whole word problem, so I put some dots here to show the continuation, and then I wrote the last word of the word problem all together, question mark. You also write it like this. Then leave one line and make a block. 9 fish plus again make a block like it's in the textbook. 5 fish is equal to how much? 14. Very good. We have already done it in the textbook today. Leave one line and write there are 14 fish altogether. Again leave one line and similarly do the question number 2 that we have done about the baby turtles. I didn't have the space, so I used the next page. I wrote the classwork on the top of the page and write the statement here. Also, I have put the ending line. You can also put it. Today's homework is to learn the table of 3. Thank you, class. Have a nice day.